Good morning, children. Welcome back again in computer class. I hope you all are doing well at your homes. Dear children, today we are going to start chapter number 7, that is word processor. Now, children, what is word processor? So, children, word processor is a computer software that enables you to process words, paragraphs, pages, and even entire document. So, we have various types of word processor. But today we are going to discuss in this chapter Microsoft Word. So let's start our chapter. Now, what is a word processor? I have told you that it is a computer software which can be used to edit word, to save the word file, to edit word file, to write a letter, to write a report. All the things related to words we can do in the word processor. कोई भी लेटर लिखना हो, कुछ भी कंप्यूटर में टाइपिंग करनी हो, we have to open word processor. We have a various types of word processors. Children, word processor, just imagine before word processor, before computer, which device we are using for typing, that is typewriter. So word processor has replaced typewriter. पहले हम लोग लेटर्स लिखना हो तो हम टाइपराइटर यूज़ करते थे. मे बी सम ऑफ यू हैव सीन टाइपराइटर. तो उसमें कीज़ होती थी, हम उसको टिक टिक प्रेस करते थे तो उसमें से वो जो भी लेटर था वो पेपर पे प्रिंट होता जाता था, टाइप होता जाता था. बट नाउ nobody is using typewriter because we have a best option in front of us, that is word processor. हम आजकल टाइपराइटर यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं, वी आर यूजिंग वर्ड प्रोसेसर. We can edit the word document with the help of word processor. टाइपराइटर में हमने कुछ भी लिख दिया तो लिख दिया, we cannot delete anything in typewriter, but in word processor we can edit our document. हम changes कर सकते हैं. अगर हमने कुछ गलत टाइप कर दिया है तो we can change our document. So that's why word processor is more useful than typewriter. Now, what things we can do with the word processor, children? We can type letters, reports. Now, children, we can even change the color and the font of the text also. We can add pictures also in a word processor. We can edit and format our document with the help of word processor. We can save the document in word processor so that we can use that document in a future. And even we can take the printout of that document. So all these things we can do with the help of word processor, and these things are not possible with the typewriter. Some of these things are not possible with the typewriter. Now various types of word processor, you can see the list: Microsoft Word, Microsoft Work, Lotus Word Pro, WordPerfect, and many more. But in our syllabus we have only Microsoft Word. So today we will just introduce the chapter Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word is a word processing program which help us to write letters, reports beautifully. We can format our document and we can send that document, that letter, to our relatives, to our friends also. Now, how to start MS Word? Similarly, you have to click on start button. First you have to click on start button, then you will click on all programs, then you will click on Microsoft Office, and then you will click on Microsoft Word 2010. Students, I hope all of you know where is your start button and all programs option in your computer system. If you know, well and good. If you don't know, then I will show you all these things in the practical session. When we will do the practical of this chapter, then I will show you. Now when you will click on the Microsoft Word 2010, then this window will be open in front of you. This is the Microsoft Word window. These are the various components of the Microsoft Word. We will discuss these components one by one. First, on my left side, you can see first option is quick access toolbar. Then second one is title bar. All of you know what is title bar. It is the topmost horizontal bar of the document where you can see the name of the document. सबसे ऊपर होता है जहाँ पे डॉक्यूमेंट का नाम क्या है वो यहाँ पे दिखता है. When you will save your file and the name that you have typed to save that file, that name will appear here. Understood? Next one is ribbon tab. You can see here ribbon tab. This one is the complete. This is the ribbon. In the ribbon you can see the various command that we are going to use in MS Word. Now next one is window control buttons. Children, we have three buttons in window control. That is minimize, that you know when we maximize and close button. Minimize, maximize and close button are the window control buttons. Minimize, you know, when we will click on minimize, what happens? Yes, yes, when we click on minimize, the window, the document that you have opened in computer, that will be hidden from us. That is, that will go into the task bar. Task bar में जाके छुप जाता है, हाइड हो जाता है हमसे, हमें दिखता नहीं है. एंड व्हेन यू विल क्लिक ऑन मैक्सिमाइज बटन, तो वो मिनिमाइज जो छोटी सी विंडो होती है वो मैक्सिमाइज कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के साइज की हो जाती है. एंड व्हेन यू विल क्लिक ऑन क्रॉस बटन, द ऐप विल बी क्लोज्ड दैट यू हैव ओपन्ड. नेक्स्ट वन इज फाइल टैब. Children, file tab is the tab in which you can find the various options, that is new, open, save, save as, exit, close. Remember one thing, children, in this book we are going to discuss Office 10, that is Microsoft Word 2010. But in practical lab we are going to do the practical in 7. Both are the same. In both Office 10 and Office 7 all the options are same except one thing, that is in this Office 10 you will find this file tab, but in Office 7 you will not find this file tab. Office 7 में आपको file tab नहीं मिलेगा. Office 7 में instead of file tab you will see office button, circle shape button होगा किसी जगह, वहाँ पे Windows का logo होगा. The option that you will see in file tab, the same options you will see in that office button. So only this is the difference between Office 10 and Office 7. So we are going to work on Office 7. दोनों सेम है, सिर्फ एक ही डिफरेंस है कि यहाँ Office 10 में आपको फाइल टैब मिलेगा और Office 7 में आपको फाइल टैब की जगह ऑफिस बटन मिलेगा. फाइन, we will see that in the practical session. Now next one is the insertion point. You can see this black color line. This is the cursor. This is insertion point after which you can start typing. आप इस cursor के आगे से टाइप करना शुरू कर सकते हो. इसके इस यहाँ पे कर्सर ब्लिंक कर रहा होगा, उसके आगे से ही आप टाइपिंग कर सकते हो. उसके लेफ्ट साइड पे आप टाइपिंग नहीं कर सकते, उसके राइट साइड पे आप टाइपिंग कर सकते हो. फाइन, दिस इज द इंसर्शन पॉइंट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज द scroll bar. You can see we have two scroll bar. This the left and right and top and bottom. You can see here up and down and top, left and right. Then the work area. This white color page, this space area is known as the work area. ये पूरा area जो आप देख रहे हो, this is the work area. Work area means you can write your letter, your documents, your reports here in this area. आप यहाँ पे कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. Now next one is the view buttons. We have 4 or 5 views in the Microsoft Word. Reading views, in which we can only read the document. Normal view, many more views. And status bar. This is the bottommost bar of the Word window. इस MS Word की सबसे लास्ट पे एक लाइन होती है, बार बनी होती है, in which you can see the total number of words that you have typed in this document. आपने इस डॉक्यूमेंट में कितने वर्ड टाइप करे हैं वो सारे काउंट, वर्ड टोटल काउंट यू कैन सी इन द status bar. Even your view button, views of the document, view button you will find in the status bar. Even your zoom button, you can zoom in and zoom out the word document with the help of the zoom button, and that button you will also find in the status bar. So children, these are the various components of word window. Now in the next class I will start new chapter and we will do the book exercise, because in this we don't have any practical work, you can see that. But if even if you can you will see that some basic things, that how to save a file and how to create a document, that I will show you in the next chapter, because next chapter is also your word chapter. In the next chapter I will cover all these topics. Fine children, so that's all for today. Thank you children.